Hello. Back with another, yes, another Karambit unboxing slash review from Cuts. This is the new Karambit Marble Splatter. This features a different type of handle and a different type of blade than the other ones, the other videos I've shown you already. Again, it's cuts.com, CUTSS.com, and right now they're buy one, get one. So, you know, it's a good deal. You can get two of them for the same price. Shipping is $3 flat rate. So basically, I mean, right now for this specific knife, it would be $11.99 or $12 plus $3 shipping. So it's $15. You can get two of these shipped to your door. So this is the new Karambit Marble Splatter, and I have one of the other ones here to show you the differences between them. And again, these are Counter-Strike CSGO themed to match, you know, in-game and all that. I mean, I don't do multiplayer games personally. I like games, you know, that are, have a story behind them, basically. But here it is here. Here's the knife, and here's the old one, or the old style, whatever you want to call it, the regular one. There's the first thing you'll notice about the handles here is the little eagle, and there's not one on that one. And then, of course, we have the patterning is different as well, like a knurling on here, and then the lines on this one. And then there's only two finger grips, just a large one for your two hands. And the top is ribbed, kind of, I guess is what you call that, lined. But then it's slightly different, as you can see. But it does still fits comfortably in your hand. You can get your two fingers in the one grip, and then it fits. We have our little pommel striker there. Here, the sheath is plastic as well. I assume it's ABS, like the handle is. It attaches securely to the knife. This little piece sticks out here and it goes into indentation. And it is hard to get off. Yes, it is. Again, these are the second generation, or their new knives. The blades are very much different. I'll get the other one out in a second. But this is the new Karambit Marble Splatter. And as you can see, it's the marble splatter, obviously. And it's not smooth. There is, a texture to it, quite a bit. And there's a sharp blade, sharp tip, and then there's like just a semi-blade inside there, but not much. There's a little bit of a blade here, but not really. But here is the other one. I'll show you the difference between the blades, of course. Between the the new style. This will be the new style one. Personally, I like the new style much better. I don't know why. I just like the looks of it myself. They're nice knives. They are, for the price. It's a very nice knife. I don't think you could really beat the quality of this knife at this price. I mean, I was pricing these on Amazon before, actually, but then I came across this one and I saw they were buy one get one, so I figured I would just buy them from them instead. And the prices are less expensive than Amazon, from what I've seen. This is normally $29.99. Right now it's $11.99. So you can get two of these for $12 plus $3 shipping. It depends where you are, I think. I don't know. Mine was $3 shipping. I ended up getting 6 of these because my son wanted a couple, and it was still $3 flat rate shipping, which is pretty good, very good. But anyway, new Karambit Marble Splatter from Cuts Knives. Very nice, very quality knife. I'm very much impressed with these for the price. If you're into CSGO, or you just, wanted to get yourself a Karambit because you've always wanted one, like me. I've always wanted one. I don't know why. But that's it. Not much else to say, really. I mean, I could highly recommend you want to grab these for the price, especially before their sale's over. Buy one, get one. It's a really great deal. Thanks.